I am shipping out the first products for Someday Sunday.
It's our anniversary.
Great morning. Today is February 24th, 2024, and today is a day of giving, of showing gratitude. So my husband is out of town, more on that later. I've just dropped my son off. Okay, I've just dropped my son off at daycare and I am going to be donating. I am in the middle of a closet clean out so that I can make more room for my formulation materials and ingredients and all of that. And I have a pretty small office space, so I need to utilize the closet as much as possible. So I'm doing a lot of rearranging of my clothes and everything. Let me show you the footage. It has finally come for the day where I have to reimagine my closet for formulation because I just need the space. And so now I have to figure out what to do with these clothes. So I'm giving you all a before shot. The clothes, I think I can figure out a place to put it. And then this is where my incubator is for testing. And this is where I keep my formulation ingredients. And then they're also back here. Currently, a lot of them are behind clothes. And so I just need to kind of clear this out so I can make better use of the space. It is now morning, and as you can see, this has been cleared out. And you can see more of my ingredients and tools, which I can't wait to organize better. I have ordered a shelf to go in this area, and my donation box has grew. I'd rather just give it to someone, you know? So I have these clothing items that I had been waiting and hoping that I could one day fit back into because I love them so much. And when I realized that probably wasn't going to happen, I wanted to sell them on Poshmark. And I kind of realized that I'd prefer to give them away. I don't want to go to Goodwill because they just sell your stuff and that's annoying. But I like to give to shelters. And I found a shelter that houses teenagers who are expecting teen pregnancies. And I thought that this shelter would be a good shelter because of the things that I have. You guys probably would remember some of these shoes. I have some Similac that was sent to me that I no longer need. We have some trendy jeans, colorful. A lot of this stuff still has the tags on it. Like this stuff was stuff that I really love. There's even a dress in here that we've got cargo pants, still has the tag on. The majority of the stuff I have only worn once or still have the tags on. This stuff is so cute and I'm very excited to give it. And the reason why I do this, outside of obvious reasons, you just give to the less fortunate or the people who are just having a hard time. When I was younger, my mother was leaving an abusive relationship and we lived in shelters for quite a bit of my childhood. Shelters, family and friends. We just didn't have a permanent home for a really long time. And I will never forget all of those kind people who helped us. I have very distinct memories of that time. And I always thought that whenever I was in the position to give back that I would. And so I do. Sometimes I give to church. Sometimes I give to shelters. I even keep, let me show you. I even keep boxes in my car that have food and supplies and stuff like that. I sometimes do events where I help give things away, and they had so many of these boxes left over, so I took them, I donated a few boxes to my church, and then I'll keep some extras in my car to give away, and that's just how I roll. So let me go donate. Made it back home, donation done. So that was really cool. So now I know of another location that I can go to specifically for teens that are in need. If you're ever interested in like donating to a shelter or something, I highly recommend like doing a Google search. Sometimes they'll have like websites that have different shelters, that they kind of group everything together and then give you a little bit of information about each shelter. I just prefer that over Goodwill, because once I was putting two and two together that they were just selling the clothes that we were donating, it kind of put a bad taste in my mouth. Like, I'll go there to purchase, but to donate, unless I really just need to offload something, I'd rather donate like the super good stuff to people that are like in need. You know what I mean? All right. Some cool things came in the mail today. One is my new debit card for my new account for Someday Sunday. There is so much involved in starting a business, including registering it, getting your EIN, setting up bank accounts, all that stuff. And I think I'm gonna do a video that will kind of go down the list of all the things that you might want to consider. Business insurance, all the things. So if that's something that you're interested in, let me know. And I have a box from Makesy that I'll be sharing later. Makesy is a great site to go to if you are interested in making anything, crafts, skincare, candles. They have like everything there. So that's a great website if you want to get started. They have like a lot of starter kits as well, fragrance. There's a lot of stuff there. By the way, great news. My husband got a investment from an accelerated program, and I'm so excited for him. He is currently in Nebraska, and not only is he finding out a bunch of information and getting all of these amazing trainings there, he's looking out for your girl, okay? He actually filmed some content specifically for me.
This is the room where they do all the educational stuff. So basically people come in here, and then like you would come in here and then they would teach you all about like manufacturing, and like they'll bring in product people, formulation people, or whatever, and you'll go in here and then just learn and then go right back to your office and apply it. Here are the like offices, so you can have warehouse space downstairs, and then also have a dual, like actual comfortable office where you can do meetings and stuff down here. This would be like a non-ventilated workshop space, so this is where you could pack everything if you didn't have that much product. It's a smaller space. So you could put your desk like right over here with like all of the products, and then this is where you can pack them. But they have a separate space that's like for ventilation.
The best thing about our memberships is they're all included. So the price you see for your unit is the price you pay. All utilities, Wi-Fi, warehouse equipment, daily carrier pickups, coffee, snacks, free events, all of that is included in your membership price for your space. So we take care of all of that. You don't have to worry about it. The traditional warehouse, typically you have to set all that stuff up. It's extra cost, extra upkeep. It's just annoying, and most people don't want to deal with that. So we take care of all of that.
They are interested in bringing that to Kansas City in the future, hopefully, because it's so good for businesses like mine who need the space, who need to be month to month, not locked into a super long lease, that have affordable pricing and a place that actually handles a lot of the stuff that warehousing needs. There's a lot of things ingredients that I can't even get because I don't have a warehouse address. So I'm just praying that they come to KC so that I can have a space like that someday. But for now, I am transforming my office space to be my own little mini warehouse, or should I say manufacturing facility. When you come into my office, there's this entryway. And I used to have a shoe rack here full of shoes, but I put it in my master bedroom closet. And now I need to get, I guess, a bookshelf to take up this space so that I can have more storage space as I build out my closet. 24 inches, has a little give room just in case. Yeah, I think because this space is so small, a bookshelf is gonna be right for it. And then we'll get back to it. We got this little one in here. I'm telling him about when he was a baby. He was like, I'm on a plane. We're gonna go to Target. Target. You're gonna go get a bookshelf for me, and then if you want a toy, you can have one. Getting a metal ruler. Sometimes you just need the basic stuff. My God, my nails need to be done. Yeah, you can't have this one. You have the wooden ruler, okay? All right. Look at him plotting already. These are a little bit too big.
Yeah, we need a smaller.
This one is not bad, but I think the dimensions might be too wide.
We need a smaller one.
I wish it was white and wood. This one, let me see, 16 inches high. This is 1, 2, 3, 4 shelves. So this would be the one we're looking for, and I think it's gonna fit in that space, but it's a little short for my liking, or the width is a little too, I don't know. It didn't take long for me to realize that my space has to completely transform from a YouTube and acting studio to a manufacturing space for Someday Sunday. I am really excited about the changes that I'm going to make. It's going to be a perfect space for my new beginning. Duh! This is all a part of my revamp that I've been doing on my room and my space, basically turning my office into a manufacturing space. So I've got some footage. Roll it. Outfit of the day. Okay, listen. We need to transform this office. And so Jay is helping me go to Home Depot so I can get some shelves for above my formulation station. So let's see what Home Depot has.
Nice thing. The filaments would be nice in your office though, when you want to kind of.
Yeah, actually we could put it under the shelving. That'd be dope.
Some filaments, yeah.
Yeah. Well, maybe not that, but maybe some strips.
Huh? It's right down the bottom.
Make it look aesthetic.
Oh, a nice strip would be dope. Yeah, that one right there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That might be something for the future. Oh, you're gonna be my girl.
Yeah, this ain't the same shelving I was thinking about.
No, but it's closer. I swear I always be looking busty, you guys. I don't look like this all the time. 50% of the time, though, I'm not gonna lie. Sincere. So apparently it's on the back wall. This is kind of what they have. You were thinking something else?
No.
So, how many feet is this?
48 inches is
48 inches?
about 4 feet.
Yeah. Because I don't need anything any bigger than this.
Yeah, it fits in there like that.
Is that too big?
Yeah.
This is the only shelf I can see that's the size. You think just one shelf?
I was thinking just one for the moment. That's kind of cool though. You like that? It kind of wraps around it. So it kind of slides in. And then you just do the nails on the bottom.
That could work.
Yeah, it's a nice little design
Do
too.
you like the black though?
Yeah, that gives it a nice little framing.
Because I'm just thinking of we have so many colors going on in the room. Should it be white?
It's up to you. White's right there. Just don't have a white like this.
This one is going to be picking up a Tesla today.
And doing a TED Talk.
Hey.
Find a way to acknowledge the imagination of every single child.